So I guess the goal, if we're starting a podcast, is to have a name for the podcast.
Why did you say it like that?
Everyone's doing AI, so we've just started like generating some AI ones, and some of these are ridiculous. It's a brother and sister podcast talking about skincare, hair care, trending topics, and everything in between. It came back with like skincare and glitter, Mango and Friends, Two Brothers Talk, skincare talk. But do you want to know what it came back with?
What?
Sausage King and the Sis podcast. Like, what the is that?
I still like the idea of a podcast about nothing. I typed that into the generator and it sort of broke it, I guess. All it says is not anything podcast. Podcast. Nothing. LA Times. Laughter of the LIY. Everything, period, nothing, period. The podcast. Just Sucks podcast.
Okay. Just Sucks podcast. That's it.
Oh.
I don't even know how I came up with that.
This is the worst generator in the world.